This is North Stage 2022 All-Stars event. The car just got a standalone system. This is the first stress test for it. Car handled beautifully without a hiccup. Management was working great. Only hiccup I had was on the second day, closer to the end with the steering angle kit. I'll show you guys a little bit more. I managed to just record the problem, and that was it. The rest, I was just playing with the Insta360 camera and maybe a Snapchat video or two, but enjoy the drifts.
Jeez.
So here we are. We are at the All-Stars event of North Stage. There she is, all prepped, ready to go. This is our setup right here. Everyone's working on the mounts. Got the trailer, got the tires, got more tires. I got a beautiful 10x20 this time. Thank you, Bestline, the Porsche team I work with. Compressor, tools. Got my own truck this time. Beautiful tow rig. Everything's all set up. So right now we're just getting the car warmed up. I bought a 360 camera, so the footage is going to be awesome. They're all just setting up right now. And then the 360 cam going. Stay tuned.
Sexy boy. What motor's in this thing?
Raindrop, top, smoking up in the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, looking up over the pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't know nobody with the trigger. All up they bringing, they come and get gang. I mean, you never get you with some bad emotion. Looking up with a bruise. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too. My bitch, raindrop, top, smoking up in the hot box. Looking on your bitch, yeah, looking up over the crock pot.
My tire is broken.
Patch kit? We can just patch that.
Shit.
Yeah, just fill it in. Bumper's a little off.
Chopsticks, snuffing rice in the bowl. School counselors all know how they life is at home. Cold like the Minnesota Vikings at home. Before I met Drizzy, I knew he and I would get along. But
The day's been going great. Car's been handling great. Temp management has been easy with the new tune. Car's probably been through 20 tires already, and at this point, through initiations and transitions, I was starting to feel a little flick. Turned into a bump, turned into a knock, turned into a clunk. So that's when I called it. I said, all right, let's put the car up. Let's start checking, wiggle check all four corners. We found out couldn't find anything until the weight on the car, like that was on the tires, and we put it down, started checking and turning it, and that's when I saw the play in this knuckle here. The black part there is completely bolted into the hub, and it seems like the threads walked away because of the bolt was 2 threads too long. Basically, trackside fix, as you see it wobbling around, that's fully tight. Took the bolt out, cleaned off all of the Loctite, put 2 washers into the hole there, the opening, and tightened it down with some more Loctite. And I mean, the front bolt was, the rear bolt was okay, didn't touch it, but I did correct it later on in the future, as you'll see in the videos coming. But other than that, car was great, handled great, and got some good clips, and super happy with the tune.